All right, day 8 on the half bath remodel. No, we are not in a half bath. We are actually in my garage, and today I'm going to finish scraping this door and prepping this door. And maybe by the end of the day, the first coat of paint on this door. But today, I hope to actually finish laying the tile. We have 2 courses of tile we have to lay. Hopefully get a sink plumbed, put the doors on the cabinet, base cabinet, and then that'll be ready for grout. And whatever else we can get done between now and the end of the day. And time check is 8 a.m. on the nose. Alrighty, let's finish this one up. You alright?
Yeah, I'm just tired of this. I'm actually really tired of this tile. I love a tile.
Alright, I think you're good. Make no guarantees, but it's the best I got. I mean, I sure did make a mess.
Well, thank you.
I mean, there is this stuff's everywhere.
Okie dokie.
Okay, clean my bucket. 1 backsplash complete.